Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss some more features of Microsoft Office tutorial Microsoft Word. And first of all, we have in first video we have done an overview, and the second video we have done some cut, copy and paste commands, and third video that was related to bold, italic and underline commands, and also a format painter command. In this video we are going to discuss some features of Microsoft Word. What are those features? Let's go and start. First of all, we have to discuss we have to write something here. After that, we have to discuss features about Microsoft Word. We have to cut, copy, paste anything here. We have to write something here that are how much peoples are trying to protect those people, those are criminal. Okay, this is a one-line sentence. You can use any of the sentence. Crimeless. First of all, we have to select this. After that, if you want to increase the size of that, just go there and select any size you want. Okay, select any size you want. And the second one command is font. Just go there, select this font. You can change the writing style of the text that you have written in the Microsoft Word page that is shown in white area. This is your white area. You can select any of the command or any of the text. You have to select this font style. This is look like this. If you want to use this type of style, writing style, handwriting style, you can also select that. This all depends upon you which writing style you want. You can use this. You can also use this 72. So you can check that there are a lot of huge size that you want. Just press Control A shortcut command of all selection to select all data. You can choose this, or you can increase the size of that. Just click here and increase the size of that text. Just go there and decrease the size of that. Just one click and check out that your text size is decreased with number of clicks. Now this is the last part, that is sentence case. Just put the sentence case. Sentence case is those case where your first word letter is in uppercase and the rest are in lowercase. If you want to select any other case, lowercase, and all these letters are in lowercase. If you want to increase write all these in uppercase, just select this and change the writing style. You can clearly check out the writing style. If you want this, capitalize each word. Check out every word. You can check out toggle case. First of all, you can to change this. Algerian style cannot apply on this. If you want to capitalize each word, how first word is capital, much first word is capital, first word is capital, first is capital. You can choose any of that. I hope you understand what I mean to say and what I want to teach you. Hope so you are making interest in all these videos and learn something I want to teach you. Thank you very much and stay connected for more videos.